Hello, in this video, we will write a Python total program to display a circle and a point and display a message whether the point is inside the circle or not. So this is the screenshot here. Here is a circle and this is the point. The point is inside the circle. So the message is the point is inside the circle. And now the point is right here. And the message is the point is outside the circle. To detect whether a point is inside the circle or not, so we will get the distance from the point to the center of the circle. If the distance is less than or equal to the radius, then the point is inside the circle. Otherwise, it's outside of the circle. So we are going to write this program here is to use this formula. We have already used this formula before. It is to compute the distance between the 2 points. So we're going to prompt the user to enter the center point of the circle and then the radius of the circle. So these are all the float point value. And now enter the point. And this point is stored in x2 and y2. A point has those two coordinates, xy coordinates. So now we're going to draw the circle. So we have this total pin up and go to this location. This is x1. Now we have this y1 minus radius, because when you draw a radius, it's go to draw counterclockwise and back to the point. So that is, this is here. We're going to do this now to give us some room. And this is now pinned down. So here we can now draw a circle with this radius. So let's draw the point. So this is just go right to the point. And this is to set the color and of this dot. So we're going to have the dot. We're going to draw a dot at this point location here. Is so that's like a 6 is in the radius, and here is the color is red. So now if you see here, that is here the color is red. And now we're going to lift the pen up and go to this location here is to display a message. So here is so go under the circle, and so let's test this. This is the distance. So the distance is less than or equal to radius, and then we put the message right here using this font is times 12. So this, after all this is done, we're going to hide the total, and that is the point. So now you can look at this programs right here. So this is right here. So if you don't have this hide the total here, so this, let's comment this now, run this program again. Now you're going to see, and you have this point is here. And so I'm going to hide it, and this is going to hide it, and you run it, and so it is hidden. And the point is inside the circle. So if you enter something different, so I'm going to enter this here a little bit further, and 6, and this is 6 here also. So let's run it now, and you're going to see that's here. And oh, that is the circle. Okay, let's do this 8, and this is 8 here. All right, so now where's the point? It's still inside. So we go with a little bit more now and see what happens. So the point is outside the circle. All right, that is all for this example, detecting the location of an object. So here we detect whether a point is inside circle, and we use the Python total. Now, so what we do here, so we use a lot of, this is very flexible here. You have this, you can move the pen to any location, just the pin up and go to, and then pen down. So now you can draw things. And you can use the dot to draw a small circle. So this is dot and have a color here. And you can hide the total. That is all for this section. See you on the next video.